This is part 3, the finale of my series on end-to-end fashion design with AI. Part 1, we built concepts. Part 2, we went from live sketch to production flat sketches with fabric applied. Today we finished the job. We're editing designs, extracting patterns, putting clothes on models, and generating campaign-ready images. Everything a brand needs to present a full collection. Over the last 2 weeks, I've gone from a blank page to a set of fully rendered designs and production flat sketches. But designs on a screen are still just designs. What I want to show you today is what happens when you take those designs, refine every detail, put them on actual models, and push them into campaign quality images. These came from the sketches and concepts you saw in parts 1 and 2. Same tool, same platform. No Photoshop, no external production. Just look AI, taken all the way to the end. Here's how. Now, pattern extraction. This is one of those features that sounds simple but is incredibly powerful once you see it in action. The idea, you upload any reference image, a fabric swatch, a photo, anything with a visual pattern or texture, and Look AI extracts the pattern from it and makes it usable as a print for your designs. It's taken the veining, the tonal variation, the organic flow of the marble and turned it into a repeating pattern I can actually apply to a garment. No Photoshop, no Illustrator, no separate design software. Now applying that extracted pattern to my coat design. That marble pattern is now a print on the coat. And because it came from my own reference image, it's unique. Nobody else has this print. This is how you go from inspiration to original print in under 2 minutes. Now the most visual part of this whole series, virtual try-on. I want to see my coat design on an actual model before I go anywhere near a client presentation. That is how that coat looks worn on a body. The drape is reading correctly, the proportions are working, the length is landing right. Now let me swap the model body type. Same coat, 3 completely different bodies. This matters enormously in fashion. One of the biggest gaps between design and production is how a garment translates across different body types. With virtual try-on, you can test that before you've spent anything on sampling. Now the last tool before we go into campaign output, edit. This is Look AI's image editing tool. You upload your design as the original image, write a prompt describing what you want to change, and it updates accordingly. First, I want to generate a side and back view of my coat. In real fashion work, you always need multiple views for presentations and tech packs. Back view. 1 image, 1 prompt, no resketching. Side view. Now I have front, back and side, a complete view set for any presentation or manufacturer brief. Now I want to try a completely different fabric direction. I'm going to change the coat fabric to a floral print. Think oversized botanical leaves, earthy tones. Same silhouette, completely different story. From a clean, minimal printed coat to a bold fauna print statement piece in 1 prompt. Last step, and this is the payoff for the whole 3-part series. I am taking my best model try-on outputs and adding a scene direction to push them into campaign territory. That is a campaign image. That is something you post on a brand Instagram, put on a product page, or walk into a buyer meeting with. And here's the full picture of what we built across 3 videos. We started with a text description and a rough sketch. We generated concepts, pushed them into different style directions, sketched in real time with AI rendering live alongside us, created production flat sketches with fabric applied, extracted an original print from a reference image, refined details surgically, put the garment on models across different body types, and finished with campaign quality images. That is an end-to-end fashion design workflow inside one tool. If you are a designer, you should try this yourself. The free trial is in the description, no credit card needed. My exclusive link gets you up to 40% off your subscription. Works on Mac, Windows, and iPad. If you've watched all 3 parts, thank you. And if you make something with Look AI, send it to me. I genuinely want to see what you build.